Hello friends and welcome to my channel Migit Instrument. So here we are with one of our new project, and this one is called a smart dustbin. So as the name itself suggests, it's a smart bin which opens by itself when we bring a garbage near it. Okay, so come on, let's move to the parts. As you can see over here, we have got an ultrasonic sensor which we are going to use for detecting the garbage or an obstacle at a particular distance. Here we have got a servo which we are going to use for open the lid of this bin, and inside here, as you can see, I've been using a 6-volt battery over here, and then we have got an Arduino Uno which is going to control the entire operation. And apart from that, we have got one more circuitry. This one, it's a power distribution board which we are going to use to distribute the power to all the devices such as the microcontroller, Arduino Uno, our ultrasonic sensor, and even our servo motor. Okay, so the operation is quite simple. Whenever there is an obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor, here in this particular project, I have maintained a distance of 20 centimeters so that anything beyond 20 centimeters it will not reach. So once there is an obstacle, it sends the information to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller sends the information to this servo motor, and it opens up the bin. Okay, so come on, let's operate it. So okay guys, I have got a small piece of a tissue. I'll move it here. It will get open. We just need to put it inside and it gets closed by itself. Okay, quite simple. And as you can see over here, we have got an on-off switch which can be used to turn the system on and off. And here we have got a DC socket which is connected to the battery again, so that we can charge it externally using a 5-volt adapter. So this is it guys. It's a smart dustbin, a new project. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. Have fun guys.